Today I'm going to show you how to wrap the design around a bottle, or any round object in Adobe Photoshop. First select your rectangle tool from the toolbar. And click and drag to draw a rectangle. Right-click, and convert it to Smart Object. I'll decrease the opacity all the way to 35%. Now press Ctrl-T to free transform. Click and drag outside the shape, to rotate it. Right-click, and choose the Distort. Click and drag of the corner handles. Right-click again, and Warp. Open the Warp list, and select the arch. And use the handle to determine the right bend for the bottle. Hit Enter once you're satisfied. Set the opacity back to 100%. Double-click on this, and rename it, Design. Now let's disable this layer first. Select the background or subject layer. Then from the toolbar, select the Object Selection tool. Under the mode, select Lasso. Create a loose selection around the bottle to select it. Now let's enable this top layer. With the selection active, click on the mask icon to create a mask. Double-click the thumbnail to place your design. Go to File. Place Embedded. And place your second image. Adjust the size and position. Hit Enter on the keyboard. Go back to File. And choose Save. And then close the document. Change the blending mode of this layer from normal to multiply. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Now hold the Alt key to split the white slider and drag it to the left. Then press OK. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.